Ready to bring your Star Super 3 cutouts to life? Let's go through a quick and easy setup. We'll have your new stars ready to stand tall in no time.
First up, find a flat, clean surface. Gently unfold your cutouts here and set aside those brown easels and Velcro tabs. You'll need those for the final touches later.
Assembly time. Now it's time for the small cutouts and stands. Carefully remove these from the backing board and give them a little assembly action.
Simply match them up to their bases and pop them into their slots. Carefully peel off any arms or detailed pieces from the backing board. Patience here is key. Next, you'll see some strengthening struts. Match each one to the right character and side, whether it's left or right. Got the matches sorted? Great! Now, add a bit of glue, just a smidge. And remember, this isn't supplied. So grab some. Apply it to the plain side of each strut. Stick that right onto the back of your large cutout, keeping it nicely aligned so it won't peek out from the front. Once that's done, let it dry for a bit.
For the 3 large cutouts, peel away any remaining card from the back. We're ready to add some height to these stars. Setting up the easels. Lay each easel flat with the creased lines facing up. Fold up each side along the creases to create height. Next, fold down and tuck in both flaps on the left and right, meeting them in the middle to form a box shape. Now, fold down the top lock, marked with a T, over the side flaps and press inside to secure. We've locked those sides into place. Take one Velcro tab and stick it to the bottom of the easel. Stick the second tab on top. Peel off the backing paper to expose the adhesive. Align the easel with the back of your large cutout, positioning it so that the widest part meets the base of the cutout. Make sure nothing is peeking from the front. And press down firmly on those Velcro tabs to secure it. Repeat this for the other large cutouts.
Your Star Super 3 cutouts are ready to shine. Easy setup. Epic display. Enjoy your new cutouts.